I think she is injured and I'm trying to save her. She is injured by cat in our villa. Now I brought her in the room and I'm trying my best to save her, but I think she is too much injured. Hardly she is injured because she is not eating anything, even not drinking water. But I'm trying. If she will die, I will be too much upset now. But I'm trying. Please pray for this sparrow, no? This innocent sparrow, please pray. I want to save her.
I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind if I drink.